Bonjour les amis, comment ça va? Sois le bienvenu à notre 7e leçon. Ici, c'est Dacoba French Academy. Welcome, my dear friend. You are welcome to this, our lesson number 7. Of course, here is Dacoba French Academy. And I'm sure you are making enormous progress in your French study so far. Our lesson of the day is about orthograph. In this particular lesson, we will be learning the sound A. A, as you can see on your screen. You see the E with accent on top. We don't have that particular E in the French alphabet. But in French words, you will be seeing it. How do the French come about their particular A? How does it sound? How do we pronounce it? Is it the only word or the only letter that sounds the same that way? No. For that matter, be with us throughout this particular lesson. Voila, you are welcome back. This is, of course, Dacoba French Academy. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do so and be part of this vibrant class. Merci. Continuons. Nous allons étudier dans la leçon d'orthographe le son E. Et tu as sur ton écran ET, EZ, ED et puis ER. You have on your screen ET, EZ, ED and ER. All these are also pronounced A in French. Okay? But the question is, where should they be before they sound A? Is it at the beginning of the word, within the word, or at the end of the word? So that is what we are coming to see today. Now, let me also tell you that the ET is a word on its own, and it also sounds A. Whenever you see ET, mention it A when you are reading. And do you know the meaning of ET? ET means and, Kofi and Ama, and. So ET alone is a word. On itself is a word, and it means and that ET sound A. Kofi, Ama. Kofi and Ama. Now you also have EZ. EZ at the end of French word also sound A. Do you have example of word in which you have EZ at the end? All right. We also have ED. When ED ends French word, it sounds A, not like the English one. In English, when ED is at the end of the word, you know how it sounds. But this, of course, is French. And now you have ER. Where in the word will you have to mention the ER as A? Follow me in this particular lesson as I bring all those to you. Of course, this is the Dacoba French Academy. Now, before you can mention ED or ET or even EZE, here are the circumstances. Le son E. Number one. So, as I said, ET is a word on its own, which means and, A-N-D, and it's a conjunction de subordination. Voilà. Now, when that ET is at the end of a word, we pronounce it A. So, our first word there in number one, we have tabouret. Tabouret. Le tabouret. Kitchen stool. Nous avons bracelet. Bracelet or bracelet. le bracelet, 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 like one of these, or anything you put on your wrist or at your wrist, le bracelet. We also have gobelet, le gobelet. Masculine is le gobelet, feminine is une tasse, but because here we are with et, so the word there is gobelet, le gobelet. So the et at the end of these words will sound a. Voilà. Whenever et ends a French word, it sounds a. This is what I'm trying to put across. Voilà. Continuons. Le numéro 2. Nous avons ER. ER. Again in French, whenever ER is at the end, please, I said at the end. Lorsque le ER est à la fin d'un mot, ou bien lorsque le ER termine un mot français, le ER se prononce E. E. Alors, nous avons Javier, nous avons métier, métier, le métier, job, job, or work, profession, métier. Nous avons sentier, sentier, le sentier. And sentier there means path, P-A-T-H. The path, a road, path, sentier. And we are also saying all verbs of the first group. In French, you know, we say all the verb of first group end with ER except aller, which belongs to the third group. If you want me to put a light on the group of verbs in French, let me know in the comment section. All right. There are 3 groups of verbs. You have the verb of first group, the verb of second group, and the verb of third group. It is difficult to identify verb of second group from the third group, but it's a different lesson altogether. Today we are with the sound A. So, point 2, we are saying all verb of the first group. So, as you can see, we have sauter. Sauter, that is to jump, sauter. We also have tracer, tracer, and tracer means to trace a line, tracer, tracer. After that, we have voyager, voyager, to travel. Numéro 3.3, we have the EZ, EZ. Whenever EZ ends a French word, it sounds A. So we have nez, nez, le nez, nose, le nez, tête, épaules, jambes, pieds, yeux, oreilles, la bouche, nez, le nez. So nez, EZ at the end, it will sound A, so nez. Now we have ré, ré, as in the le rez-de-chaussée. Le ré is also there. We have assez, assez, enough, enough. J'ai assez de l'argent. Sorry, j'ai assez d'argent. J'ai assez, assez, enough. So you can see EZ at the end. And that also is A there. Again, we are saying verbs with vous. When you are conjugating verbs with vous, you will have EZ at the end. So we have vous allez, aller. So it is EZ. Don't say à l'aise. It is aller. You have chanter, chanter. And finally there, you have apprenez, apprenez. And number 4, ED as A in French. You will have the example in the word pied, pied. D'accord? So this is what I have for you today. This is Dacoba French Academy. I'm happy you are making progress. You are learning new things day after day. That is why you must share these lessons with your friends, with your colleagues, with your family members, with your parents. All right, so that together we all make progress in the study of French. French is not difficult. Sometimes it depends on the person teaching you. Dacoba French Academy, your home of the best French studies. Thank you. See you again in our next lesson. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.